Hi family!
Hi family!
Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making some banana bread.
Banana bread!
Yay! But we're not going to use regular sugar. We are going to be using some monk fruit sweetener. Oh yeah, it looks good, huh? Yeah. So this was recommended to me by my best friend Yaro, who has a YouTube channel that I'll link down below. But he's been using it for a while and he told me I had to try it. So I am in our baked treat today. And I'll be seeing if it actually keeps the consistency of our baked good and all of that good stuff. So if you want to see how this all turns out, then watch the very end of the video. And if you like the video, I want you to subscribe down below. Right? We do? We want them to subscribe? Yeah. But that's enough talking. I think it's time to get started. Yay! Are you ready to start mixing?
Yeah!
Alright, so the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a bowl.
A bowl with bananas.
Yes, and we are going to pour the bananas in there. But these bananas have already been mashed together. These were bananas that were already browning. So we took those, we mashed them. I'm going to pour it in there. Ooh. All right. Now we want to add our oil to this.
Oil.
Yes, let's go ahead and add our oil.
Bananas.
And let's go ahead and we're going to mix that together. Go ahead, mix it together.
Ooh.
Okay, now that we have the bananas and the oil mixed together, we are going to go ahead and mix in our egg substitute. And I'm using the same egg replacer I've been using in the past couple of videos. That Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. I'm also going to go ahead and add our vanilla.
Oh no.
Go ahead, add the vanilla. And then we're also going to add our sweetener, our monk fruit sweetener. So we're doing this in place of the sugar. And we're going to mix this all up together. Alrighty, so now it's time to mix in our flour and our baking soda. And I went ahead and added my pinch of salt into the flour itself. So just be mindful that there is some salt in here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pour that in. Go ahead, pour it in. Go ahead. Woo.
And then the bag.
And then we're going to go ahead and add the baking powder.
Baking powder.
Now you're going to mix it. Alrighty, so we went ahead and mixed everything together, and now it's time to pour our batter into a loaf pan. So I have my loaf pan ready to go, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to pour this in.
Banana bread.
It is.
And then.
Ooh. Alright, we're done with this. You can let go. Thank you. Alright, so now that we have it in the pan, in the loaf pan, we're going to go ahead, spread it out a little bit. And we're going to stick it in the oven. Then we're going to wait and see how it all comes out. Alright, so we'll see you in a bit. It's ready, right? You've been eating it already. So we again already know someone does not like to wait until the very end. So she has already been eating the banana bread and she loves it. She's been eating the piece all by herself, but I have not tried it myself. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little bite.
I love that.
Wow, that actually tastes pretty good. I mean, it's not as sweet as I'm used to the banana bread being, and the bananas were pretty ripe when I mashed them up. So I was expecting it to be sweeter, but I really do like this sweetener because it didn't make it have an aftertaste, which some of the sweeteners that I've used before makes it have. So I'm really happy with the way the monk fruit turned out, because the monk fruit sweetener didn't change the taste of the banana bread itself. It's not as sweet, but it didn't change the taste of it, if that makes any sense. Like, I've used stevia before, and the stevia has like an aftertaste sometimes.
Again?
Yeah, and this one doesn't. So you're almost all done, aren't you? So are you gonna finish this one too?
No, this
No,
one.
that one is yours? Alright, so we're gonna keep eating, we're gonna keep enjoying this banana bread. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you liked how we tried using a different kind of sweetener in our recipe. Let me know in the comments down below if that helped, or if you have any other ingredient ideas that you want us to try, and I will be happy to try them, because we're always looking for something new to try in the kitchen. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye!